In my last Ripley video, I tested out some upgrades on the bike to see how it did on my regular trails. But then I got to thinking, why not go ahead and make it a Ripmo? So with a simple clevis change and a shock and fork, you're able to turn this same frame into the bigger sister, the Ripmo. So I got to work, changing out the shock clevis. For the fork, I chose the DVO Onyx D1 38mm in 160 travel. And for the shock, I went with the DVO Topaz Prime. Also, while I was there, I got a set of mullet wheels, and I flipped the flip chip from full 29 to mixed wheel. Once I got it all done, I loaded it up and headed straight to Jarrod's. After a few laps to get the baseline suspension set up, the bike felt pretty good. It was very lively, very floaty feeling. There was one odd thing about it. I didn't notice it while riding, but in the POV footage, you really can hear the rebound circuit on the front fork. I have never ridden DVO suspension before, and maybe that's just how their fork is. After some tweaking and fiddling with the suspension, by the end of the day I was feeling really good on the bike. Felt like it was really handling well, and I was very happy with my decision to put mixed wheel on it. The thing turns so good, feels so light. It's pretty impressive actually. You know you're feeling pretty good on the bike when this is the last lap after a long day. The Ripmo was feeling great, but I knew there was one other place I had to take it. That's right, Windrock. Let's go see how this Ripmo will do. I think I say it every time I've made a video from here. This place scares me. is very steep and raw and rough. And even though they've redone some of the trails lately, they're still way rougher and far steeper than what I'm used to. I live in Alabama. I'm used to going downhill, but not steep downhill. And everywhere at Windrock, I know the GoPro makes it look flat, but it's steep and it's very raw. A lot of exposure, rocks. And not knowing the line everywhere is tough for me, but we figure it out. We get going, and every time I leave there, I feel like I'm a better rider.
Oh, where am I going? Okay. All right, let's go here. High line down. Off the rock. Oh, that's okay.
It took me a few minutes, but I finally got settled down and riding right. If you'd like your own Ripley or Ripmo or any other Ibis, go see my friends at N+1 Bikes. Make sure to tell them you're a friend of the channel and they'll take good care of you. And if you don't want an Ibis, that's okay. They carry all the good brands anyways. Yeti, Pivot, Cannondale, and Orbea. Just make sure to let them know I sent you. So what's the verdict? I think the bike is amazing. I took it to Jarrod's, and on all the flow trails, it's just so responsive and quick. Felt so good, but it also feels very sturdy in this setup, very solid. And at Windrock, a park that's dominated by downhill bikes and much bigger travel bikes, I feel like it held its own just fine, especially for a rider of my ability. Like I said before, I'm not super confident there, and I don't go real good there. But the bike did just fine. I do have one complaint about the way I have it set up. The bike comes with a 32th chain ring, and that paired with a small 27.5 back wheel, it's just way too low. On my normal full 29ers, I prefer a 32 tooth, and on my mixed wheel bikes, I actually prefer a 34 tooth to offset that smaller back tire, but that's easily changeable. I think the best thing about this bike is the ability to have two bikes for less than the price of two bikes. You can buy either Ripley or Ripmo, and then do like I did and get the other set of suspension with the shock clubs, and within probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes, change back and forth between the two travel sizes as needed. And I think that's amazing. That's way better than having two bikes. Sadly, this will be my last ride on this bike. It's time for it to go back home, but I really appreciate the opportunity to get to look at it and ride it, and I really enjoyed it. I'm not sure what I'll be riding next, but maybe I'll see you there.